Hello, this is channel Learn Log, and in this video we are going to discuss how to find the area of shaded region. Again, I'm going to inform you on the channel Learn Log you will get all lectures free of cost for O and A levels with past paper practice. All of the websites they just give you trial free and then they don't give you free lectures. But in our platform, I'm guaranteeing you that you will get all the lectures free of cost with past paper practice of each and every question of physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics, whether Edexcel, Cambridge, GCSE, AQA, whatever. So without wasting any time, let's start discussing our topic. So the first question is calculate the area of shaded region. This is our first figure. Here if you see there is a circle and inside there is a square. So the thing I have to do is firstly find the area of circle. You know that area of circle is pi r square. So pi over here if you see what will be the radius. This line over here represents diameter because see over here if I sketch this line here will be diameter. But radius is half of diameter. So r is equal to d by 2. So r is equal to 18 divided by 2. Radius you get is 9 centimeter. So pi 9 square. So what answer do you get by doing pi 9 square? You get 254.47 centimeter square. Next thing that you are going to do is to find area of square. Area of square, you know that it's length time length. So if we subtract this part, area of this part square, that will be 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter square. I will get the area of shaded region. So over here, area of circle was 254.47 centimeter square. And area of square is 4 centimeter square. Area of square is 4 centimeter square. So if I subtract both of them, so area of shaded region, what will be area of shaded region? It's area of circle minus area of square. Area of circle was 254.47. Area of square is 4. So what answer do you get? 250.47 centimeter square. That's the answer. I hope you are understanding it. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment. I will clarify your confusion. Next question is, there is a square and inside square there is a circle. Firstly, we will find area of circle over here. Area of circle. Area of circle will be pi r square. But as you know, this is diameter. So diameter is 8 centimeter. I told you radius is half of diameter. So what you will get? Pi r square. Radius will be 4 square. So what's the answer? 4 square is 16. 16 pi. You get 50.27. 26. 50.26 centimeter square. Now what's the area of square? It's 8 into 8 because area of square formula is length times length. So you get 64 centimeter square. Now you know that if you subtract the area of smaller figure from the area of bigger figure, you will get the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is area of circle minus area of square which was 64 and area of circle which is 50.26. So 64 minus this we will get 13.7 centimeters square. Next is to find this one. I will zoom a little bit so that you can see. So here are two circles. So firstly I will find area of smaller circle. Area of small circle. That will be pi. Here radius is already given, so I don't need to find the radius. So pi 1 square. Pi 1 square will be 3.14 centimeter square. And area of bigger circle will be 2 centimeters, so it will be pi 2 square. 2 square is 4 and 4 pi is 12.56 centimeter square. Whereas there is a bigger shape which is rectangle. So area of rectangle is 12 into 7 which is 84 meter square. Sorry, the unit used over here is meter square. So how you find the area of shaded region over here? You find the area of shaded region by subtracting area of small circle and area of this circle and this circle from the area of rectangle. So 84 minus 12.56 minus 3.14, the answer you get is 84 minus 12.56 minus 3.14. You get 68.3 meters square. Okay, so that's how easy it is. But you know that in exam sometimes the question is not that easy, so I will solve past paper for that also. Next is area of rectangle and then there is a circle in it. So area of rectangle is half times base into height. And what is base over here? That is 10 and height is 15. 2 into 5 is 10 and 15 into 5 is, I think so, 75. So 75 centimeter square. Whereas what is the area of circle? Area of circle, it is pi 2.5 square. Why 2.5 square? Because this is diameter 5 centimeter. So 2.5 square and into pi you get 19.6 centimeter square. So if you subtract both of these areas, area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of circle. Area of triangle is 75 and area of circle is 19.6. You get the answer 75 minus this, you get the answer 55.4. 36 centimeter square. Now, these two parts, try it yourself at the end of video and tell me in the comments what answer do you get. Okay, otherwise I will be solving these two questions in the next video, and these two parts are your test. So test yourself honestly and then see the video what is the solution of this. Once again I'm telling, on all other websites you just see that they give you free trial for 7 days and for 14 days, and then they ask you for the payment. But on our platform everything will be free, so your O and A levels will be extremely free of cost. So do subscribe the channel, learn log, and stay tuned. Click the bell icon for the notification of every video.